Hey guys, welcome to TechDrew's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about logo design with Leonardo AI, Leonardo AI tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Leonardo AI is a cutting edge platform that seamlessly integrates artificial intelligence into the logo design process, so it empowers users to craft distinctive and professional logos with ease. So you'll just need to upload your own design, concepts, or ideas, and Leonardo's AI powered models generate a wide range of logo variation. So these variations can be customized according to your preferences, allowing you to tweak elements such as color schemes, typography, and iconography. So whether you're a business owner in need of a brand identity or a designer looking for logo inspiration, Leonardo AI offers a powerful and efficient tool to streamline the logo creation process. So as you can see, here are the different designs that was created using Leonardo AI. So you could use this one in here as a reference onto your logo creation. So we have some things like this and that, and you could also copy the prompts that you have in here so that you should be able to create your own design. So it combines the creativity of human design with the efficiency and precision of AI, making it a valuable asset for anyone seeking to establish a strong visual presence. So for you to be able to get started onto using this platform, you'll just need to head onto leonardo.ai's website. So for you to be able to head onto here, you'll just need to locate it onto your local browser, type in leonardo.ai, and you should be able to see the screen. So you should be able to see the create an account button in here, wherein you could access this with no credit card needed. So just simply click on to create an account, and note you need to be whitelisted to be able to sign in. So if you aren't on the early access list, you need to register using your first name, email, and just click on to count me in. So right after clicking on to count me in, there should be prompts that you need to follow, such as following their social or some questions that you need to answer. So right after you finish all of that, that is where you'll need to head back onto this page again and click onto the yes, I'm whitelisted. Then right after, you should be able to see the login page in here, where it gives you an option to continue with Apple, Google, Microsoft, or type in your email and password. And if you have forgotten it, just simply click on to forgot your password. Then click on to sign in so that it get headed onto Leonardo's dashboard. So if you need an account, just simply click on to sign up, and also note that this app is also available now on iOS. So you could download this onto the App Store, and onto the bottom part, you could see the privacy policy and terms of service. So you should choose a login option in here, and personally what I'd like to do is to continue with Google. Now, this is what the Leonardo AI's dashboard looks like. So we have here the featured models that it has. For us to use as a reference, we have here the Photoreal, Dream Shaper version 7, 3D animation style, and anime pastel dream. So you could browse through the different featured models in here so that you could choose which one you would use as a reference onto your logo creation. So you could see also here onto the left side your tokens that you will need to use for your generation, and as you can see, this resets in 10 hours. So it may take up to an hour to update your tokens, and if you want more, you'll just need to simply click on to upgrade to see Leonardo's different plans. So as of the moment, we're currently using the free plan. We also have the apprentice, artisan, and maestro. So as you can see, these are actually the discounted prices. So you could also see the different plan details in here. And if you found something that you like, you'll just need to simply click on to subscribe to apprentice or switch to monthly billing. So let's head back onto our dashboard in here. So you should be able to see the community feed in here so that you could browse onto the different creation by other users to find some inspiration. The personal feed, wherein you should be able to see your past generations, the followers feeds, and the like feeds. We also have the training and data sets so that you could train your own model and the different fine-tuned models that we've gone ahead and seen earlier. So here are the different tools that we have: the AI image generation, AI canvas texture generation, the settings, fact and help, and the logout option and your account settings. So for us to be able to get started onto creating your own logo, what I personally like to do in here is browse onto the community feed. So this would be easier. We'll just need to go ahead onto the different creations done by other users so that we could find something that we could recreate to do our logo. Now, we'll just need to find something in here that we could use as a logo so that we could and use that photo as a reference. So let's just scroll down onto the creations by other users in here. And I've gone ahead and came across onto this graphic logo illustration of a palm tree. So let's click onto that. So this one really looks like a logo, and we'll try to do something like this. As you can see, here are the prompt details that it used: graphic logo, illustration, palm tree, cruise ship, vibrant colors, a vector art. So you can see also the different details in here: the input resolution, resonance, pipeline, preset, prompt magic, and when it was created, contrast boost, the seed, the prompt magic, and the row mode. As you can see, it is also generated using the model Dreamshaper V7, and here are some related images onto this logo. So for us to be able to create something like this, you could just simply copy the prompt and create a new one. But for us to be easier, you could also just click onto this image to image. So these will copy the prompt over to the AI image generation, as well as load the image into the image to image so that you can create variations of the image. So let's just simply click onto that. And as you can see, it will redirect us to the AI image generation. And if you have noticed also, the prompt in here is already copied out. So we have already a reference in here, and also the model, it was copied out, and the Leonardo style. So we also have the negative prompt in here, so we could add that one out in here. So this is what you'll need to type so that you don't see that onto your photo. So you'll just need to simply type in the things that you don't want to see. And here onto the left side, you can see the tokens, the number of images per generation. So we have up until 8 in here, but let's just leave it to 2. The other features like photoreal, prompt magic, alchemy, public images, the image dimension. So you could choose in here. You could also customize using these things in here, and you could also choose a ratio. So we also have the guidance scale in here. So this is how strongly your prompt is weighted. So this will base onto the prompts that we have typed in here. The control net, which allows you to influence your generation with the input images that we have in here, so you could activate that. And also the tilling, which is ideal for repeating textures or background. So here onto the image to image, we don't have to drag and drop a photo or simply upload one, since we've gone ahead and used the feature earlier, and it had automatically added this photo or logo as a reference. So we could see also the init strength in here feature. So this is a higher init strength. This will preserve the original image more, or this one. So we could just simply adjust these things in here. Also the guidance skill, and you could also add in the control net so that you should be able to generate something like this. So it would be alright if you will not copy all of this. So let's just do some slight revisions or changes in here so that we could generate our own logo. Now as you can see, I have changed in here the palm trees to dog and the cruise ship to bones, and let's just leave everything as it is, and let's try to see what it will give us. So as you can see, this will use 5 tokens. Let's simply click on to generate, and let's see what it will give us. Now as you can see, this is the reference, and these are the generations that it did. So it actually has the same vibe. However, we've gone ahead and already successfully added the dog in here. So let's zoom that one in, and as you can see, I kind of like how this one turned out. So you have the option to download the image in here. Also you could delete it, copy, and then zoom, and also remove the background. So let's try to see the other photo. So you have this one as well. So this also depicted a dog, and let's try another generation. Let's try to remove the dog in here and simply replace it to cat. So let's also replace the bones to fish, and let's try to see what it will give us. So let's leave onto the different settings in here as it is, and then use the 5 tokens to generate another set. Now as you can see, here are the generations. So as you can see, it looked like more of a fish, so I don't see the cat in here. But here onto the other photo, we could see the cat and also some tails that reflected a fish. So I kind of like this second photo that we have in here, so you could just simply download if you like that. And that's how you create logo using Leonardo AI. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on to our next video.